Madam, I don't want you. Carry this phone, get out from this place. Don't make me vex.
I don't understand. Phone what I bring for you, only charging points. Now it's point for this phone. Now the phone no they work well. They tell me make I carry my phone come out. For phone what I bring come here, I tell you make I stay here. May you repair this phone, make I see. You say no, go come back now. Don't go come back. They tell me nonsense for my phone.
Madam, see, this phone where carry come. The charging point no good. The mouthpiece no good. Speaker no good. Hey! You still get mine. Carry the phone, come give me. 10% of the charging point be the problem. Why you know say this phone? Some still no good inside this phone. Madam, respect yourself for carry this phone, get out from here. No make me vex. Because maybe today I don't have the repair phone. This is making it my 8 years. I don't the repair phone here. Hey! Nobody don't insult me the way they talk. Madam, take careful of me. Don't make me vex.
Now what did they tell me for my phone where is point? You don't know me. Oh. See, look me very well. Look me very well. See, if you not come out for this place, if you not come out for this place, make you not say not be me. Should be me they try.
Madam, you know if you do anything. You are just like my junior sister. You cannot do anything.
Wait for me at the
They hear me? Person like you, I don't see your type plenty. Just because you are the repair phone here. Techno company have been calling me to come and repair their phone. I say no, I don't want to take job. I don't like salary work. Now you come here to talk to me anyhow. When I don't work up and down, your boy don't give a phone. You could come here and talk to me anyhow. Be careful of me, oh. Nonsense. Maybe yesterday I work iPhone 14 Pro Max. Change the screen, put memory card. Now you come here to talk to me anyhow. Waka. Nonsense.
God have mercy upon us.
Come here, can't talk rubbish again. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God have done. Count your blessings, name them one by one.
Who this sir?
Yes, how far?
No verse, now you work for here.
You see anybody here except me?
No verse, sorry. I won't work this phone.
Phone me that.
My iPhone.
iPhone 4 ST day.
Still there.
If I sell this for you and start pure water business now.
Today, boy, they rare. No plenty where they is now.
Now no plenty where they pour now.
Why you go talk like that now? The problem of the phone is say the camera no sharp. I want this I take photo, landscape and portrait.
Okay, maybe now the motherboard. The motherboard don't burn.
Okay, you go help me work am.
Now 4,000 I go to repair this phone.
I gonna be 150.
Which person they follow you to do that 150?
150 now. That man with the end they do 150 for me.
Okay, now vegetable they say here. No okra they say here. Okay, carry this and come up for this. Hey! Okay, come here. Come my money.
Hey! Bros, I beg. I go pay you this money.
Okay, I don't hear I say you go pay me. Since I will repair your phone, you carry my money wrong. It's I no go catch you.
Oga, money. See, money no day, but I go give you this money.
Okay, you go pay me my money. I don't go leave you.
Bros, I beg. Bros, I beg now. I beg.
You pay my money.
Bros.
Come out there.
Bros, you never tell where I collect this phone. See, this phone go bring money. I go give you. Just trust me.
Oga, none of na go owe me this year. Never.
Bros, I beg now. I beg.
Oga, go bring my money. Go and bring my money. Hey! Who are you? You think I be JJC? Nonsense. Jiggy them. When you win Jesus, jiggy them. Also again, King about Mary Dime, I'm a man no one. Yeah, me can. One name, carry down. Now this guy phone. Hey! Jiggy them. Hey! Who they call? Good afternoon.
Yes, afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Young man,
Yes, sir.
you are from the state CID.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to repair your phone.
Hey! Who owns this one that is in your pocket?
Son,
Come on, my friend. Will you answer me, my friend? Who owns this one that is in your pocket?
now one brother, the brother tough, unfair.
Do you know that the owner of this phone was robbed at gunpoint? What is this phone doing in your pocket?
Sir, it's not.
Young man, you have to come and explain to us what this phone is doing in your pocket.
I don't do Jehovah.
Hello, Sergeant.
Hello, sir.
I'm with the suspect, the criminal.
Okay, sir.
Over.
Copy.
Now, young man, will you stand up from there? You will come and explain. You don't
Sure, sir.
Pack these things to the boot.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I beg now, okay, I beg.
You will come and explain to us what this phone is doing in your pocket.
Okay, calm down. I started 14th July. I've been praying for prosperity since that time. I beg, I beg.
Young man, enter this car.
I love you. I love you.
I said enter this car.
Oh, officer, my belly, I find comfort. I can't do it.
My friend, will you maintain absolute tranquility?
Hey! Sorry, sir. Child, blood of Jesus. God of vengeance, I want my battle for me. Okay, thank you, Daddy. God of vengeance.
If you open your mouth and sing song there again, you see what I'm going to do to you.
You have to have capacity.
This world can be something else.